This video is the next continuation video for the earlier two parts what I've done on this washing machine leak. I've told you that even after applying M-Seal there was leakage observed. So this time what we have done is we have called the Siemens technician. So this is the person in blue shirt who is a Siemens technician, is trying to open the complete washing machine front panel, and he suggested to update to adjust the pressure on this.
Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Explored. This is your host Hari Kishan. I make lots of videos on technical product reviews, do-it-yourself fixes, Sanatana Dharma, interesting facts, which help you and make your life better by saving your valuable time and money. Like, subscribe and share would be highly appreciable.
After doing a couple of fixes which we thought were the leakage issue, the next step in this fixing process was we called the Siemens technician. So let me tell you guys, this guy for the house visit he charges around 800 Indian rupees, and he gives a fix, but his services are pretty expensive. So what he has done is he has opened the front panel completely, and we were skeptical about the rubber pipes which are flowing inside. This is the shock absorber for that drum. You can notice the rust which is there, which is caused due to the leakage. So these are the rubber pipes, and after looking at that, there is no any issue with these rubber pipes. They're not worn out. There are no any holes coming out of that so that the water can leak. This is the other rubber pipe. This is also in perfect condition. So he was really skeptical about what is happening. And then he made the machine to run for few cycles to observe what is happening. And let me tell you guys, there is a pressure pump, Crompton pressure pump of 0.5 HP, which is fitted next to this for getting the water pressure into the washing machine. So finally he observed that, and he found that the water pressure could be a little high, and that is the reason wherein the water was getting pushed into the washing machine's powder tray with a high force, and from there it was leaking. These are the pressure adjustments, pressure meter which is fitted to that Crompton pressure pump. So this is a sort of analysis on this, and the next step is we will try reducing a little bit pressure on this pressure pump. So this is the tray, underneath of the tray from where the water was leaking. This is the powder tray, guys, which is on the top left of every washing machine, from wherein you put your comfort or any sort of powder or liquid soap into that. So this would be the another try for fixing this. Let's see how it goes, guys. Watch all the other parts to know the fix.